In this video, we're going to make hydrogen gas. Hydrogen is a gas lighter than air. Because of this, if we put it in a balloon, we will see the same effect as helium. This is what we're going to need, just hydrochloric acid and aluminum. Alternatively to hydrochloric acid, it's possible to use sodium hydroxide drain cleaner dissolved in water. As a first step, we take the aluminum foil and shape it so that it can fit inside the flask we're going to use. I then put a flask on a support stand and I dropped in the aluminum. I then placed a stopper and a joint connected to a pipe from which to let out the gas produced. In the last neck, I put a separatory funnel. In this case, the separatory funnel is not the best choice because the gas would rise through it. It would be more useful to use a pressure equalizing addition funnel, but unfortunately mine wouldn't fit the neck of the flask, so I used the separatory funnel. I then connected the tube to the flask and the other end to a gas washing bottle. Inside the gas washer, I added about 500 milliliters of tap water. This is necessary to wash the hydrogen from possible impurities and to cool it down. This is a particularly exothermic reaction, and the gas coming out will be very hot, so it needs to be cooled. I then connected the gas washer to a balloon to collect the gas. Inside the separatory funnel, I added hydrochloric acid. I then slowly opened the valve of the separatory funnel, and the acid started to flow down slowly. It didn't react immediately because the aluminum foil is covered by an oxide layer. So initially, the acid corroded the oxide, and once it reached the actual aluminum, it started reacting and forming hydrogen gas. The gas traveled through the first yellow tube, then ended up underwater where it was washed and cooled, and then passing through the second transparent tube, it ended up in the balloon. Going back to our reaction environment, the gas was produced according to the following reaction. 2 moles of aluminum react with 6 moles of hydrochloric acid to produce 2 moles of aluminum chloride and 3 moles of hydrogen. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more chemistry like this, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. If you want to leave a comment, it would be very appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next experiment.